I bought a new watch, a Chinese Tourbillon watch, a true Tourbillon watch from China on AliExpress. Did I make a good decision? Or perhaps this purchasing was a complete misunderstanding? Let's find out. For this Tourbillon watch I paid almost $276 during the sale on AliExpress, so it's not a sponsored video because I have to spend my own money. It's arrived in such package, very good, prepared for delivery. Also I have here a cloth. I will use this cloth a little bit later. I also got a spare strap together with a tool that should help me to remove the strap and replace for this one. The strap is better than it looks like, and what surprised me is this envelope. On it is written Tourbillon, probably also in Chinese is the same. Unfortunately I don't know Chinese. And inside is some kind of manual letter that says thank you for purchasing, and that's interesting. If you are wearing it, please avoid collision and vibration, otherwise they will cause the displacement of the parts resulting in damage. So it's some kind of warning, so the seller would like to be sure that you will use your watch for a very long time. And that's the box. Inside we have our Tourbillon, my first Tourbillon. I hope I will have more of them, so let's take a look. And well, it is also protected with some foil, probably according to the inscription, so the watch have to be well protected during the very long journey from China to the final client. Everything seems to be like made from leather. It even smells like leather, but actually I don't think it is a real leather. Chemically you can pretty quickly copy the smell. Some guarantee card, VIP, very nice. Let's unpeel the watch because I never winded it before, so we will do this together. Butterfly clasp, pretty nice. Little stiff, little hard, but okay, it's a new. Let's go on with the case. Quite a lot of foil. And this is the cloth that I received also together with this watch. So let's use it now. So I can clean the watch, I can clean also the lens of my camera. Actually I'm recording with a smartphone. Now let's clean a little bit the watch. We have a sapphire crystal on the back and also on the top, so double sapphire crystal. And the star of this show is of course the movement with tourbillon complication and this very good looking dial, blue dial with some kind of pattern. Sun should mirror the sky at night. Okay, so it's time, let's wind it. Cosmic journey, we have here sun and the earth, and this green could be Mars. Huh? What do you think? I think for $276 that I paid, it was worth this watch, hopefully. The strap, okay, it doesn't look really as a high quality strap, but when you touch it, you have a really good feeling. I think it will serve a couple of years. The case here is of course a stainless steel case, and dimensions that I measure is diameter 42.5 mm, thickness is 11 mm, lock to lock is 22, so will be quite easy to match a different strap to it, and the lock distance is 50 mm. Also, when I bought this watch, I was able to order an engraving and of course an engraved ticking watch. So that's the shape of the case. Also the crown has very nice shape. A very good looking watch. Everything is directed to the dress style. The Tourbillon has 28,800 vibration per hour, and on the back we have very nice, I think it's a sun pattern. It's not an automatic watch, it's manual winded watch. The power reserve is 40 hours. And let's hear the sounds of the spring. I hope the pandemic is over and we can prepare for the spring. Okay, so that's the watch. More I cannot tell you about it because I worried about one day, so that's definitely not enough to say something about its durability. I can speak only about the look, and I like this look. Looks great. It's Tourbillon, not very expensive. I think normally they cost about $350. Links in the description down below. And during the sale you can get some discount. There are also different dial patterns, so if you don't like this one, you can choose something else. We have here also a little bit lume on these hands. Also at night you can read the time. And of course I couldn't forget about time grapher test. And that's the reading, that's the score. Of course, before you do a new watch a time grapher test, you should wear it at least 2 weeks. Probably that's the reason why we have here almost 30 seconds per day. I think I will repeat the time grapher test after a month and I will come back to you with an update. Thank you for joining me in this journey. Share this video with someone who also considering buying a watch. If this one is quite good option. See also my other videos. Take care for yourself and your families, and I catch you in the next one. Bye bye.